Please share and subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please hit the like button. First of all, download the setup and crack in the links below in description. After downloading, locate the folder in which you have download. Open the folder. Click on MS Office US 64.ISO. Now click on setup.exe to install. Do not forget to click on I accept the terms and conditions. Then click on continue. Now click on install now. Installation process will take place. It can take a long. Please be patient. I will come back after installation. After installation, extract the crack folder. Open the crack folder. Now double-click on KM-Spico setup.exe. If you're not able to click, just move the KM-Spico setup.exe to another folder. Here I am copying into my desktop. Double-click on KM-Spico setup to start. Then click on Next. Click on I accept the terms and conditions. Then click on Next. Again click on Next. After installation, you are done. Now you can enjoy the MS Office for lifetime. Here is the proof that it works 100%. Please share and subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please hit the like button.